Hi, it's Judy from Clean a Little Bit with Judy. I'm back in my room. What I wanted to do today, I'll actually just show you. What I want to do in my room today, because the cats get in here. Well, actually, the cats didn't do this right here. It fell. And I had it hanging up on the wall. Anyway, I want to straighten up my closet. I do not have the energy to take everything out and clean it real good, even though I wish I did. I don't. So I already gathered up some Goodwill things I'm going to be donating, like Callie's old Easy Bake Oven. I'm going to donate that, take it to Goodwill, and this lampshade and this lamp. This lamp is broke, but they're pretty easy to fix for anybody that knows how to, rewire a lamp. It's not hard at all, and I should do it, but I have enough lamps, and I'm not in the mood to fool around with it. All right, so I'm going to be picking up the floor here, organizing it. Here's my rugs here. The cats seem to... I don't know how all this happens, to be honest. I'm not even going to blame the cats. But the vaporizer is down here. I don't know how this happens. It's really... either way, I'm going to straighten up my closet. Let me get this set up so I can get started here. Here's some clean rugs. I'm going to put these in my bathroom. I'm washing the other ones. Okay, I want to vacuum in here. I'll be done for now. Okay, it just took me a second, just a couple of minutes to clean that up. Those things that fell down and got knocked around, and I just remember why the closet gets messed up. It's not the cats, it's Sophie and Callie. They play in here sometimes. So my blankets are in, I think, the top one, extra blankets, and my rugs are in the bottom flowered bag. So that's how I keep things. Yeah. All right, and here's some things I'm donating. Lampshade, Callie's old Easy Bake Oven, a bag of things I had started a while back, odds and ends, old pocketbook thing here. Yeah, it's just, I like it, and it's good quality, but just a little bit too big for me. And I'm getting rid of this lamp. So I'm going to put all this stuff in my car right now, because tomorrow's grocery day, and that way I can take it with me and drop it off at Goodwill on my way out to the grocery store. All right, you take care. I'll be making another video soon. Now I got room for my vacuum cleaner. Yay! All right, bye. Today's grocery shopping day. I just brought them home. I have to bring them all in. Here, put it right here. Wait! No. The cat was in my way. I swear my house is Grand Central Station. Our neighbor gave us some venison, and I think I'm going to take it and make it a big pot roast stew out of it. I'm just going to make it like, I got all the ingredients for a pot roast meal stew, and I'm just going to cook it like that and see how we all like it. Oh, they'll love it. They love everything I cook. What in the world just happened here? Yeah, I just wanted to give you a little idea of my Monday through Friday schedule. I wake up at 6. I really don't get up, but I have my coffee in bed, and I'll eat a couple crackers or something like that just to have something on my stomach. And I'll lay in bed for an hour to gradually wake up. Kelly doesn't have to be to school till 9 a.m. And so I will get up at 8, and it gives me plenty of time to do the things I have to do, wake her up and her to get ready and feed the animals. What else? Get her lunch ready, her breakfast ready, and get out the door. So I kind of do it like that. I wake up slowly. I do better when I wake up an hour before I actually have to get up. So I dropped her off. Well, this was Friday. I dropped her off at school, and I went straight to, well, actually, to be honest, I went to McDonald's and got breakfast. Don't tell Callie, okay? And then I went to Goodwill, because I had those things to drop off at Goodwill. Oh, it felt so good to get some things out of my house. I'm sick and tired of clutter. I mean, I've got too much stuff in my house, but it's really not my fault, because honestly, I have 0 storage. I don't know what I'm yammering about here. I'm going to make sure I put that down on low. Anyway, who cares about the chips? What I have to say now is more important. Anyway, yeah, I went to Goodwill. It felt so good to get some stuff out of the house, and it also felt good to. I filled up the tank with gas and got all my groceries. I spent over $200 and some. So yeah, I bought Yoo-Hoo for the family, and I got some little mini Dr. Peppers, and the kids just. I like buy a little extra for the weekend because there's more people around, and my husband and my son actually really like a Yoo-Hoo here and there. I mean, I don't really drink them, but they like them. And so I got a little extra for the weekend, this weekend. So, and oh, yeah, I like lean cuisines. That's 300 calories right there. It's portioned out nicely. That's a turkey and stuffing dinner with apple slices in there. It's really, really good. And it hits the spot. And I need to lose a few pounds. I got to. I'm tired of feeling heavy, too. So anyway, there's my small little grocery haul. I didn't do everything. I just didn't feel like it. Too much stuff, and I think grocery hauls are a little bit boring. I gotta tell you, it's just my opinion. I rotate cans here. I put the older ones in the front, and the new ones I just bought, I put them in the back. And this space is so small, it's tedious to do that every week. I really hate it. I wish I could get myself a bigger place where I have an actual walk-in pantry. That would make life so much nicer. Oh well, maybe one day. That's all I'm going to show of that for now. I need to clean up the refrigerator a little bit and finish putting the rest of these groceries away. But as of this moment, I'm going to relax. I had to lay down for a couple of minutes, and I was really tired. I usually get up around 6 in the morning and get her off to school, take her to school. And today I had to run errands and get groceries. So I came home after I put everything away, the cold stuff mostly. I had to lay down for an hour and a half. Anyway, I need to straighten up my fridge a little bit because it's getting overcrowded. So I'm going to do that right now. There really wasn't that much stuff in there. There was some leftover spaghetti and an onion that got a little wilted. And my leftovers from when we went out to dinner the other night. I think one more thing, and that was it. So this is how a low energy person cleans the refrigerator. I cannot take everything out. I just don't have the stamina for it, and I do the best I can. So, all right. well, I made chicken and dumplings a couple nights ago, and of course everybody ate all the chicken and the potatoes out, but there was plenty of vegetables left, and also broth. So I put in some kibasi so we could stretch it out another day, and whatever the family does, I already have mine out right here. Whatever the family doesn't eat tonight for supper, I'm going to give to the cat. So this is heating up for dinner tonight. There's enough for everybody to have some. So, all right, got that heating up. So I'm going to clean up these last bit of dishes here. This is stuff I took out of the fridge. Things left over from this morning. My big air fryer broke, so I got me a little one here. This one here is better for our family because usually when anybody uses the air fryer, it's for single portion size anyway. So it's smaller, it's more compact, it's so much easier to use. So I'm glad. I wanted to show you what I made for our stray cats around here. It's Lacey's crate, and it's going down to 34 or 35 tonight, and tomorrow it's only going to be about 34, 35 high during the day, and then tomorrow night it's going down to 28 degrees, and the following night it's also going to be 28 degrees. So their cats around here have no shelter, so I made them this. That's Lacey's crate. And what I did was I have a sheet that I can't stand. It's really hard to deal with, so it was either do this or throw it away or donate it or something. Anyway, I took the electric blanket that I had bought my husband last year that he really didn't care for. He didn't think he needed it, and nobody was really ever using it. So I wrapped that blanket up in that sheet right there, and I keep it on high. I keep it on high, and the cats go in and out of there. And then I took one of my old blankets, I threw it on top of there, keep the air out, and I put rugs on top of that. They're they got the backing on it, and I put a rug in the back of it too, so it won't get drafty back there. And hopefully that's helping them out a lot. They seem to like it. They're finally going in, so I'm happy about that. But anyway, I warmed up some soup I'm going to give to them for supper tonight. Call me silly, but I don't know. I have to do this kind of stuff. All right, y'all. Have a nice evening. Bye. Stay warm. It's going to get really cold this weekend.